Hello, Prisha. How are you? Can you see me, Prisha?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. A very good morning to you. Although it's about to be afternoon, right? So welcome to my class, bacha. So today's Sunday class will be about English, right? We are going to learn a little bit of English. I'm going to ask you questions, and we are going to play a lot of games. Okay? So we're going to do all that. But before that, we will meet some more friends. Like Aradhna is there in the class. Aradhna, can you turn on your camera? Okay, wonderful. I can see Aradhna now. Prisha is also present. Wonderful. Okay. All right. So now let's get started. Hi, bacha, what's your name? Is your name Aradhana? Hi, Aradhana. Welcome to my class. All right, I've got three amazing people in my class. And now, before we start the class, sorry, Aradhana, what did you say? Aradhana, did you say something?
No, sir.
Okay, no worries. So Aradhana, Janvi, and Prisha in the class, we're going to do a lot of interesting things. But before that, how about do you guys even know me? So, right. So let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Amit sir. Okay. I live in Kalimpong. It's in the mountains in West Bengal, right? And I like playing football. Now let's talk to Prisha. Prisha, what about you? Where do you live?
I live in Mumbai.
Wow, you live in Bombay. That's wonderful. I've got so many friends in Bombay. Which place in Bombay do you live, Prisha?
I live in Chembur.
Wow, that's wonderful. Great. And yeah, Prisha, go ahead. Prisha, what's your hobbies? Like, what do you like to do when you're free?
I like to do gardening. I like to do swimming. I like to play badminton and sometimes watch cartoons.
Wow, that's a lot of things. Great, Prisha. I can just see your day must be amazing, right? Acha, Prisha, you like gardening, right? So what do you grow? Amit sir tried to grow a bitter gourd once, right? It did not grow very well. What about you, though? What do you grow? Flowers.
Uh, no, not flowers. I planted a giant.
Oh, that's wonderful. That's great. It has a distinct flavor, right? It must. And did it like grow? Did it grow?
Yes.
Congratulations. Amit says flowers now and plants, all of them grow like this big and then they all die. Amit sir doesn't know gardening that well, right? But thank you, Prisha. Looks like we're going to have a great class. And now, one second, but just somebody just sign me out. Let me know in the my team chat, right? 1 second, huh? I'll just tell them to the team. 1 second, bacha. What about you, Aradhna? Aradhna, which place are you from?
Gaya, Bihar.
Oh, Gaya, wonderful. Aradhna, have you been to both Gaya?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Wow, that's wonderful. I've been there only once, Aradhna. Have you been to the cable car that goes up the hill and it comes down? Have you been there? Have you been to that hill?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow, you've been to a lot of places. That's amazing. All right. Anyway, Aradhna, so what we are going to do next, bacha, tell me what are your hobbies, Aradhna? What do you like to do when you're free? Go ahead, Aradhna. What are your hobbies? आपको क्या करना पसंद है जब आपके पास फ्री टाइम होता है?
Drawing, sir.
Wow, you like drawing. That's wonderful. Okay. Chanvi, what about you? Which place are you from? जानवी बोलो बच्चा, आप कहाँ से हो? किस जगह से हो आप?
I am from Delhi.
You're from Delhi only. Which place in Delhi are you from? बोलो बोलो जानवी, दिल्ली में कहाँ से हो आप? कौन से जगह से?
Rohini.
Rohini, wow! Janvi, Amit sir lives in Pitampura right now. Okay, so he's pretty close to your home. That's great. Okay, Janvi. And what are your hobbies? What do you like to do, Janvi? आपको क्या करना अच्छा लगता है?
I like painting.
Okay, you like painting.
Drawing.
All right. So all of you have. Okay, wonderful. That's great. What do you play, Janvi? जानवी दोबारा बताएंगे आप? Frisbee. Oh, wonderful. That's great. Okay. So Prisha, Janvi, and Aradhna. Amit sir is going to start the class now. Okay. It's 11:45. But before the class, 3 promises that you have to remember. Okay. Aradhna, Prisha, and Janvi. Promise number 1. In the class now, Prisha is from Bombay. She might know Marathi. Aradhana is from Gaya. She might know Bhojpuri. And Janvi, she's from Delhi. So Janvi might know. Janvi knows Hindi only, right? So although you guys know different languages, Amit sir knows only one language. That is English. Okay. So Amit sir English में बात करेंगे. ठीक है? He'll talk in English. But if there is anything that you don't understand, कुछ भी आपको समझ में नहीं आता, आपको सही से अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, तो you can tell me, right? I will help you. No, all you have to say is, Amit sir, please help me. Or Amit sir, I did not understand. Okay, you say that, and Amit sir will come to your help, right? There is no need to be afraid of Amit sir. Okay. See, you guys are so good. You guys know badminton and gardening and all that. Amit sir does not know this, so you guys are more talented than him, right? So don't worry. Now, promise number 2. The second promise is, in the class, Amit sir will ask you a lot of questions. Amit sir आपसे बहुत सारे सवाल पूछेंगे, ठीक है? So, if you know the answer, raise your hand. अगर आराधना, जानवी और प्रिशा ने एक साथ ही आंसर दे दिया, तो what will happen? It will become mixed noodles in Amit sir's head. He will not understand anything, right? So please do that, huh? Right? So please raise your hand and then answer. And the final promise: don't be sad or grumpy in my class, huh? You got to smile in my class. So come on, give me a big smile, all of you. Aha! Alrighty, perfect. Now let's start the class. You know what? In Amit sir's class now, we play a game first. Okay, so let's play this game. Now the first question is, acha. In this game, everyone has to use their fingers. Okay. So come on, Aradhana, Prisha, Janvi, show me all your fingers. Come on, quickly. Show me all your fingers. Put your hands together like this. Now imagine, जब आपके पापा रोटी बनाते हैं ना, when your papa makes chapati, he starts rolling ना, roll your hands like this. Roll, 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 roll. Come on, faster and faster and faster and faster until your hands get super hot. And once your hands are hot, 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 touch your cheeks. Okay, all warmed up? Let's get started now, huh? So you have to answer with only your fingers. Let's see who answers the quickest, huh? Janvi, ready? Prisha, Aradhana, ready, na? Okay. First question. How many legs does a crow have? A crow. How many legs does it have? Very good, Prisha. Hands down. Aradhana, you have to use your fingers. Don't use the lips. Only your fingers. Come on, show me with your fingers. Janvi, fingers से direct answer देना है. 5 legs नहीं होता. कितना legs? हाँ, ऐसे, ठीक है? Prisha, you were the first one to tell. Prisha gets 3 rocket points. Janvi and Aradhana get 2 rocket points. Okay, now, Janvi, you have to be very quick. Okay? Hands down. जानवी, आप सीधा फिंगर्स से आंसर दे सकते हो, आपको हैंड रेस करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है? While you're answering with fingers. Question number 2. Ready? How many legs does a lion have?
4.
Very good. All right. That was quick. Next question. How now Prisha and Janvi, na? Prisha, Janvi, Aradhana, they're thinking, Amit sir is asking such easy questions. Itna आसान class है, right? Here's a good one, Janvi. Once again, but I think Janvi is facing some connectivity issues. Janvi, आपको मेरा आवाज आ रहा है? Janvi, can you hear me? Okay, wonderful. Let's go ahead. How many legs does an octopus have? Octopus, how many legs?
8.
Show me with your fingers. Aha, Prisha, hands down. Ha. Good job. All right. Perfect. Next question. This is hard, huh? How many legs does a mosquito have? Mosquito, मच्छर. Aradhana, how many legs? मच्छर का कितना पैर होता है, पापा? So actually, the correct answer is, Aradhana says 8 and Prisha says 4. But the correct answer is 6. All the insects, na? Mosquito, dragonfly, ladybird, cockroach, all the insects have 6 legs, okay? Except spiders. Spiders का 8 legs होता है, हाँ? चलो, जानवी, बच्चा आपका नेटवर्क चला गया था. आपको मेरा आवाज आ रहा है अब? जानवी, आई थिंक आपका नेटवर्क में प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है ना? आपको मेरा आवाज आ रहा है अब? Okay. Now, kids, listen. Janvi, Prisha and Aradhana, there is something under my table. मेरे टेबल के नीचे ना कुछ है. Prisha, it does not have 2 hands or 4 hands or 6 hands. It has, Aradhana, it has 3 hands. What do you think this is? क्या हो सकता है ये? Raise your hand if you know the answer. Come on. अच्छा, if you need help, आप ऐसे कर सकते हो, ठीक है? Amit sir will help you. You can do this, okay? Amit sir will help you. आराधना, क्या हो सकता है? 3 hands है इसका तो.
Please repeat.
हाँ, जानवी, मेरे टेबल के नीचे ना there is an object which has 3 hands only. तीन हाथ है उसका सिर. What do you think it is, Janvi?
Chair.
Aradhana said it's a chair. Nice guess, but it's not a chair. Yes, Janvi wants to tell. Yes, Janvi.
Rickshaw.
What did you say? Rickshaw. Very
Auto
nice
rickshaw.
try. हाँ जानवी, बट ऑटो रिक्शा का तो 3 टायर्स होता है ना. इट डज नॉट हैव 3 हैंड्स. उसका तो हैंड्स होता है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक इट इज? इफ यू नीड हेल्प यू कैन डू दिस. अमित सर इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अगर आपको हेल्प चाहिए तो. ओके, कम ऑन. एनीवन नीड्स हेल्प? किसी को हेल्प नहीं चाहिए? नो वन नीड्स हेल्प. एवरीवन इज स्मार्ट. इंटरेस्टिंग. ओ जानवी नीड्स हेल्प.
Yes.
Janvi, yes, Janvi, Amit sir a very bad teacher, huh?
Give me clue.
Yeah, Janvi, Amit sir is a very bad teacher. He does not give clues for free. So first you have to tell him, what sound does a cat make, Janvi? What sound does a cat make? Bhaw bhaw.
Meow.
Very good. Prisha, what sound does a chicken make? A baby chicken, a hen. मुर्गी कैसा आवाज करती है?
G.
Yeah, like tick 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 tick, right? Yes, but this thing, na, it makes a sound like this. Tick 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 tick. What do you think it is? It makes a tick tick sound. Ha, Johnny, super smart. Yeah, it is in fact a watch, because if you look closely, a watch has 3 hands, na? Minute, second, and hour hand. Okay, good. All right. Oh, we have got one more kid in the class. Hi, what is your name, bacha? The boy, the person who just joined in. Okay, is your name Anjana?
Ma'am, sir, Sadhya.
Shraddha. Your name is Shraddha, bacha?
Sadhya.
Okay, Sadhya. 1 second, huh, Sadhya? Let me just check your name in the attendance list. Sadhya Bhandari, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Sadhya. I'm renaming you Sadhya. You are a little bit late, huh? But that's okay. कोई बात नहीं. Now let me just quickly, yeah, rename yourself Sadhya. Okay, dokie. Now Sadhya is good to go. Oh, Sadhya, welcome to the class. Sadhya, आप कौन सा जगह से हो? Which place are you from? Are you from Uttarakhand?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, which place in Uttarakhand? Which place in Uttarakhand, Sadhya?
Dehradun.
Wow, you're from Dehradun. That's amazing. So we have got kids from all over India. From Delhi, from Gaya, from Bombay, and from Dehradun. Huh? Great. This class is a mixed bag. All right. So now we are going to start our class. The first thing we are going to do is, everybody will show me 3 fingers. Come on, quickly show me 3 fingers. Now what you have to do, you have to tell me 3 things. You have to tell me 3 words which describe yourself. Okay. Amit sir will tell 5 words about himself or 5 things about himself. Number 1, Amit sir is lazy. He's a little bit lazy, huh? Number 2, Amit sir is a foodie. He loves to eat. He absolutely loves to eat. Number 3, Amit sir is a good writer. Okay. Number 4, Amit sir is very bad at math. He has 0 knowledge of math, huh? And the last one is, Amit sir is a very bad fielder in cricket. He always drops catches. Okay. So just like that, you have to tell me 2 or 3 words which describe yourself. For example, you might be smart, beautiful, intelligent, good in English, bad in Sanskrit, or maybe you're a good badminton player, or maybe you love dogs, you love chicken, whatever you like or don't like, huh? You might be kind, smart, beautiful, handsome, whatever you want. Okay, chalo. So let's start with Janvi. Janvi, show me your 2 fingers and tell me the 2 words which describe you. Huh? कौन से 2 words है पापा? Janvi is, बोलो बोलो, Janvi is?
Janvi is good in English.
Okay, Janvi is good in English. Okay, and second word? Come on, Janvi. Think. What do you like? Or are you kind, mean? You get angry very quickly? Or are you a very patient person? What kind of a person are you? Tell me, Janvi. Come on. Think, Janvi. Something that you like to eat, maybe, or something that you really like to do, right? Something you're very good at.
Eat sandwiches.
Oh, you're a sandwich lover. Okay, so Janvi's 2 words were, first one is sandwich lover, and the second one is, Janvi, I forgot what was the second word. Janvi's second word क्या था मैं भूल गया. Anybody remembers what Janvi said first?
Can I?
Yeah, Prisha.
She's good in English.
Oh yeah, good in English and a sandwich lover. Okay, cool. Now it is Prisha's turn. Prisha, 3 words to describe you. Come on, tell me. Prisha
I'm
is
good at English. I like
okay.
to do swimming. And,
Wonderful.
And
Come on, Janvi. Sorry, Prisha, tell me how you are as a person. Are you honest, mean, bad girl, or naughty, or funny, or interesting, or curious? What kind of a girl are you? Come on, tell me, Prisha. Be honest, huh? No lie. Okay, all right. Thank you, Prisha. Thanks a lot. All right, and then let's go to Sadhya now. Sadhya, what kind of a girl are you? Come on, 3 words or 2 words. Go ahead. You are?
I want to say 3 words.
Okay, cool. Say the 3 words.
I love to dance.
Okay, you're a good dancer. Okay, go ahead.
I love to play with my dog.
All right, you are an animal lover. You're a dog lover. Wonderful. And third? Sadhya, third?
I love sandwiches.
You also love sandwiches. 2 sandwich lovers in my class. Wonderful. Sadhya, can I ask you a personal question? Sadhya, what's the name of your dog?
Max.
Oh, wonderful. That's great. All right. Aradhna, it's your turn. Aradhna, 2 words to describe yourself. आप कैसे बच्चे हो? What kind of a girl are you? You are a... Go ahead. Come on, Aradhna, tell me. बोलो Aradhna. आप किस...
Love to dance.
You're a good dancer. Okay, you love to dance and...
I like to drawing.
Oh, you love to draw as well. You're an artist. Wonderful. Thank you. Now, kids, what we will do, I am going to show you 2 pictures. Okay. From the 2 pictures, in the 2 pictures, there will be 2 boys. Okay. You have to tell me the differences and the similarities. For example, let's take an example. Huh? Can you tell me 2 Aradhana and Janvi? Can anybody tell me one similarity between them? क्या same है दोनों में? Can somebody tell them? Raise your hand. Okay, yes, Prisha.
Sir, can you please repeat the question?
Yes, Prisha, you have to tell a similarity. Similarity as in something which is same. Okay, one similarity between Aradhana and Janvi. Tell. Come on.
हम दोनों का चोटी एक है.
हाँ, and you also have pink t-shirts, right? दोनों का pink t-shirt है. Also, you both are girls, right? Now, let's talk to Sadhya. Sadhya, can you tell me one similarity between me and Prisha? मेरे और प्रिशा के बीच में कोई सिमिलैरिटी दिखता है आपको? बोलो प्रिशा. साध्या, कुछ सेम है साध्या between me and Prisha? Come on, think. Look carefully. Janvi, did you say something, bacha?
No, sir.
Okay. Janvi, are you okay? You don't look all right, Baba. You fine, na, Baba? आप ठीक हो ना, Janvi?
Yes.
Janvi, if you're not feeling good, you can tell me, okay? I'll help you. ठीक है, बच्चा? Okay. Yes, Sadhya, coming back to the question. बोलो, Baba.
She don't have classes.
Prisha, what did you say, bacha? No, that's a difference. You have to tell me similarity. कुछ same मेरे और प्रिशा के बीच में बोलो.
Similarity.
We both are wearing the same t-shirt. Just a little bit.
Yeah, very good. We're both wearing red t-shirts. Okay, now I'm going to share my screen. So have a look at my screen.
Okay. ठीक है.
No? I'm sharing my screen. One second. Oh, is it visible? Okay, there are the 2 boys now. Everyone will raise their hands and tell me. Let's start with Janvi. Janvi, can you tell me one difference between the 2 boys? Go ahead, Janvi.
Sir, can I?
One boy is sad and one boy is happy.
Yeah, one boy is kind of sad and other boy is happy, right? One is grumpy. Sadhya, one more difference. Tell me.
Ma'am, Sir,
Sadhya mom, it's not Amit ma'am, but that's okay. Go ahead, Sadhya. Bolo, bolo.
sir, that they are not wearing the same shoes.
Their shoe colors are different. Their shoe colors are different, right? Aradhna, your turn. Aradhna, you tell me one more difference.
सर आपका बाल छोटा है उसका बाल बड़ा है
नहीं, मेरा नहीं. मेरे और प्रिशा के बीच में नहीं बताना. जो दो बॉयज है ना स्क्रीन में, ऑन द स्क्रीन देयर आर टू बॉयज ना आराधना, यू हैव टू टेल द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन देम. वो जो दो लड़के हैं, देखो इधर एक है ना, इधर दिस वन, दिस बॉय इज काइंड ऑफ ग्रम्पी, दिस इज हैप्पी. एनी अदर डिफरेंस? और कोई डिफरेंस दिख रहा है आपको आराधना? बोलो बोलो, देखो ध्यान से दोनों बच्चों को.
स्पीकर नहीं दिख रहा है
अच्छा ठीक है. प्रिशा, कैन यू टेल? प्रिशा आप बता सकते हो? यस प्रिशा.
Difference or similarity?
Difference is this one more difference. Come on, look carefully.
Their
Any other
hair
difference?
color.
Yeah, one is kind of brown. One has kind of brown hair, right? Other one is black hair. Correct. And the pants also. One boy is wearing full pants. The second one is wearing short pants, right? Half pants. Okay, cool. Now it is Janvi's turn. Janvi, one similarity between them.
हाफ शर्ट एंड
No, Janvi, similarity. Similarity मतलब कुछ सेम है दोनों बॉयज में. Can you check and tell what is it?
सर कैन आई
Okay, yes, Sadhya, you can tell.
सर टी-शर्ट
Yeah.
boys have the same eye color
Black and a blue eye color, right? Any other similarity? Come on, look. It is the same similarity between me and Prisha. Yes, Prisha, go ahead.
Sir, their t-shirt color is same. Just
Yeah, just like yours, like. Yeah, the color is different. Yeah, perfect. Thank you, Prisha. Okay, now kids, listen. ये तो बहुत आसान था ना? But now what will happen? Amit sir is going to read a story. Actually, not Amit sir. Janvi, Aradhna, Sadhya, and Prisha are going to read a story. After reading the story, then you have to find out the similarities and differences. Okay? So if you have a pencil or something to write with, you can take notes as well. Okay? आप छोटा-छोटा चीज लिख भी सकते हो. So Janvi, Bacha, are you ready to read, my friend? Ready, Janvi? If you're ready, give me a thumbs up sign, my friend. All right, wonderful. Now just give me a second. I'll open up that thing. So now the name of the story is Ravi's story. Okay, Janvi? So can you see the screen, Janvi? Give me a thumbs up sign if you can see it. Okay. So Janvi, let's start reading. Let's go, Janvi.
There was a happy 7-year-old boy. He loved everything little boy loves to do. He loved watching cartoons, play video games, enjoy on the swimming in the
Neighborhood.
His
very
parents
he was
were very proud of him. He was a good boy.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Janvi. Now, Prisha, Aradhna, Sadhya, were you guys listening? Because here's a question for you now. You have to answer with your fingers, huh? The question is, how old was Ravi? Janvi, Ravi कितने साल का था? How old was Ravi? Answer with your fingers. Quickly. How old was Ravi? Yes. 7 years old. Sadhya, if possible, turn on your camera. Okay, bacha? Yes, correct. Oh, all the girls are listening carefully, huh? That's smart. Okay, Prisha, your turn now, huh? And now the story will turn a little bit sad, huh? But you guys don't get sad, right? Because anyway, we are going to have fun. Let's start, Prisha.
Okay.
Yeah.
However, there was one thing that made Ravi very sad. He didn't have any friends. Why do you think it was like that? Well, Ravi was a very short boy. All his classmates made fun of him for that. Every
Right.
birthday, Ravi wished he would grow a little taller than
When he?
when he blew ca- when he
Blew the candles.
blew the candles on the cake, but he just he just
Seemed.
seemed to stay as tiny as even. His parents would also feel sad when they saw Ravi looking out of the window at children playing football or hide and seek.
Hmm.
They wished other children would see how smart Ravi was and not make fun of his short height.
Thank you so very much. You read very well, Prisha. So now what happens? Sadhya, Aradhana and Janvi, this boy Ravina, although he leads a normal life, but he's very short, right? Because of that, everyone makes fun of him. सब लोग इनका मजाक उड़ाते हैं, right? So now what happened? Every birthday used to wish, काश मैं थोड़ा सा बड़ा होता. If only I was a little bit taller, right? And because of that, his parents also were sad, right? They were just hoping that other people would not make fun of him and they would play with him, right? Now the story is turning very sad. But now a new character is going to enter. Hopefully she'll make us happy, right? So Aradhana, can you read the next paragraph from here? Sarah?
6-year-old girl went
When?
to the same school as Ravi.
Hmm.
She wore glasses and was a
Quiet? Quiet?
quiet person.
Ah.
She was also kind and smart. She was
New?
new in the school and had an own friend.
No, no, no. No friends. No friends. No friends, huh?
friends.
Thank you, Aradhana. So, there's this new girl in the school. Her name is Sarah. ठीक है? Sarah is very kind and smart. But Sarah का भी कोई दोस्त नहीं है. Because वो अभी स्कूल में नया है ना. She's new to the school. Now, Sadhya, Janvi, Aradhana, Prisha. Amit sir is gonna check how carefully you were listening. So, ready with the answer? Tell me how old was Sarah? How old was Sarah? Quickly tell. Very good, Prisha. Hands down. Rest of you, tell me how old was Sarah? Ha! Janvi is listening. Yes, Sadhya, tell me. Yes, Sadhya?
6 years old.
Very good, wonderful. Thank you. Hands down. Thank you, Janvi. I saw your answer. Janvi is listening, huh? Great. Okay. Now, the last paragraph, Sadhya. So there's this girl called Sarah, right? Can you read the next paragraph for me, bacha?
Okay, so
One day,
one day during lunch break, Ravi was sitting in the class eating yummy sandwiches. His mother had packed for him
Hmm.
a group of
Noisy boys.
nosy boys was sitting on the table next to him. One of them ate
Ate.
a banana and threw the peel on the floor.
So what happened, Sadhya? There was a lunch break and Ravi was eating his sandwich, right? Just like Aradhana, Janvi. There are a lot of sandwich lovers in the class now. So just like that, Ravi was also eating the sandwich. Okay. So then what happened? There was a group of noisy boys who were sitting just beside Ravi. And they were shouting and fighting. And you know what they did? They ate a banana and threw the chilka on the floor. They threw the banana peel on the floor, right? And then what happened? Now Amit sir is gonna read, huh? So listen carefully. You have to take in all the details, okay? So let's go.
One day,
Amit sir is gonna mark in this color, huh? Let's go. Sarah was walking past the table. She slipped and fell on the floor. Everyone started laughing. No one went to help her. She was hurt and was crying on the floor. Just then, Ravi walked up to her and sat beside her. He helped her pick her things and stand up. He then went up to the boy who had thrown the peel and said, "That was a bad and a mean thing to do. Even 2-year-olds know one should never throw a banana peel where someone might get hurt or fall." The boy was ashamed and said sorry to Sarah. So kids, you know what happened? Noisy boys ने जो banana फेंका था ना, they threw it on the floor, right? Not in the dustbin. So Sarah slipped on it. And when she slipped, nobody helped her. Everyone was laughing like, ha ha ha, Sarah fell down. They were just making fun of her, which is not good, right? So Ravi stood up. He went and held out Sarah, and then he went to the noisy boy. जिसने केले का छिलका फेंका था ना, he went to that boy and he scolded him. He said, "Don't you know you should not throw it in the dustbin? Why are you throwing it on the ground like a 2-year-old child?" And all that, right? So the boy now he felt ashamed. उसको बहुत बुरा लगा, right? He said sorry to Sarah. Okay. Now, what did we learn from the story? हमने story से क्या सीखा? Did we learn anything? Yeah, Prisha wants to say something. Yes, Prisha. After that, Sadhya. Yeah.
I learned that we should not make fun of anyone. Like
Right.
he is having different body sizes, different body
Right.
or wearing a spectacle.
Hmm. Exactly. You are absolutely correct, right, Prisha? Yes, Janvi wants to say something. Yeah, Janvi?
हमें दूसरों की हेल्प करनी चाहिए.
Yeah, we should help each other as well. Yeah, Sadhya want to say something?
So that we should not throw anything on the floor.
Ha.
Somebody can get hurt. We should throw it on the dustbin.
Yeah, we should throw that in the dustbin. Wow, all the three kids give me 3 correct answers, huh? So what did we learn? Yes, we should not throw things on the ground, and most importantly, we should not make fun of people, right? It does not matter how people look, right? For example, you can be fat or thin, black or white, right? You can look short, be tall or short, but it does not matter. What matters most is that we should be kind to each other, we should help each other, right? And be there for each other. Okay, so that was what the story told us. Let me read the last 2 lines. From that day onwards, Ravi and Sarah became best friends. Indeed, how people behave is more important than how people look, right? It doesn't matter how you look. How you behave is more important. All right? Did you like the story? Did you enjoy the story?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. So you are saying yes, sir, no? Now Amit sir is going to ask so many questions. Let us see who really heard the story properly, huh? So Amit sir is gonna stop his screen sharing, and Amit sir will share his whiteboard instead. So my first question is for Janvi Jain. Janvi, are you ready to answer my questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Janvi, tell me. There were 3 characters in the story, right? Who were the 3 characters? Please tell me. कौन-कौन था स्टोरी में जानवी? बताओ. Do you know the characters in the story? बोलो बोलो.
Sarah.
Sarah. Okay, there was Sarah and there was. और कौन था?
Short boy.
Short boy. What was his name? Anybody can tell? Sadhya. Can you tell me the name of the short boy? Prisha, coming to you. 1 second, huh?
Ravi.
Ah.
Ravi.
Yeah, Ravi. And finally, Prisha, there was a group of characters na, who were not very good. What was their names? Who were they?
Mean boy.
Come on, Prisha. कौन थे वो लोग who were making a lot of sound and shouting and throwing? Yeah, noisy boys. Good job, my friend. Okay, now I'm gonna ask everyone a question. First question is for Aradhna. Aradhna, you have to tell me why was Sarah unhappy? Sarah, something happened to Sarah in the story, na? What happened to Sarah in the story? Tell me. क्या हुआ Sarah के साथ? बोलो आराधना, something bad happened to Sarah in the story, ना? कुछ गलत हुआ ना Sarah के साथ? What was it? क्या हुआ था? Sarah का गाड़ी में एक्सीडेंट हो गया था या Sarah के ऊपर खाना गिर गया था? What happened? Tell me.
सर उसका खाना उसके ऊपर गिर गया था सर.
खाना गिर गया था? नहीं आराधना, something else happened. सोचो. Sadhya, you tell me. Yes.
So
Yes.
she fell on a banana peel.
Very good. She fell down on the banana peel. Aradhna, जो noisy boys थे ना, they had eaten a banana ना, and they had thrown the banana peel on the ground. उन्होंने केला का छिलका जमीन पे फेंक दिया. So सारा उस पे गिर गई. She slipped and she fell. ठीक है आराधना? Okay. अच्छा, आराधना, one more question for you. आराधना, जो रवि था ना, वो भी थोड़ा sad था ना. He had no friends. का कोई भी दोस्त नहीं था. क्यों नहीं था बच्चा? बता सकते हो? लोग उसको चिढ़ाते थे ना. They used to tease him. हाँ.
क्योंकि वो सैड था।
हाँ वो
छोटा था।
सैड था, हाँ वो शॉर्ट था, छोटा था, ठीक है. His height was less ना. Very good. All right, Janvi, your turn now. Janvi, can you tell me, in the story, the noisy boys, they threw the banana peel, they were not very good, right? But after Ravi scolded them, what was their reaction?
They felt sorry.
Yeah, tell me, Janvi. Sadhya, wait for your turn. I'm coming to you. Yeah, they felt ashamed, right? And they said sorry. Okay, Prisha, your turn. Prisha, this one is very difficult and very specific, huh? Tell me, Prisha, what was Ravi eating in the canteen?
He was eating sandwich.
Yeah. Can somebody tell me who packed those sandwiches for him? किसने पैक किया था रवि का सैंडविच? Ah, his mother. Okay, you guys were really listening to the story properly. Yeah, wonderful. Okay, so now what we are going to do, I'm going to share one more screen with you, right? In this, there's a Venn diagram. Okay, so let me just share it with you guys. Now what you have to do, you have to tell me differences and similarities between Ravi and Sarah. Okay, so can we get started? This is the Venn diagram. I hope everybody can see it.
Yes.
Okay, now tell me. First, आराधना बताएगा पहले, ठीक है? आराधना, you have to tell me one difference between Ravi and Sarah. रवि और सारा में एक डिफरेंस बताओ जल्दी से.
सारा लंबी थी और रवि छोटा था.
Very good, Aradhana. How do you say लंबा और ऊंचा in English? You say what do you say? T-A-double-L, tall. ठीक है? और जब when someone is very small, we call it, what do we call it? Short. Yes. All right. Okay. Prisha, your turn. One more difference. Come on. Tell me.
Yes.
One more difference between Ravi and Sarah. Come on, Prisha. Such. You read the story, na?
Ravi was a boy and Sarah was a girl.
Yes, that was the most obvious one. Ravi was a boy and Sarah was a girl. Oh my God, Janvi, अब तो बहुत tough हो जाएगा ना? But Janvi, can you tell me one more difference? आप मुझे एक और difference बता सकते हो?
Yes.
Yes. Tell me. Come on, Janvi, you used your fingers for something, na? Think about it. So. Come on. What did you use your fingers for? To tell me there?
To eat.
Come on, Janvi.
Sir, I know.
Yeah, let Janvi answer. I know Janvi can also answer this. Janvi, their age. Sadhya gave you a hint, na? Sadhya said age. Do you know कितने साल के थे Janvi? आपने आंसर दिया था ना मुझे?
6 and 7.
हाँ, who was 6? Ravi was 6? Actually, it was the opposite. Ravi was 7, okay, and Sarah was 6. So yes, that's also one difference. And now Sadhya, if I ask you one more difference, can you tell me? Remember Sadhya, when you saw the picture na in the story, सबसे ऊपर एक picture था ना, on their faces also there was a difference. The same difference is between me and you. मेरे और आप में भी वही difference है. मैं सारा हूँ और आप रवि हो, ठीक है? So tell me, what is the difference? Come on, look at my face, look at your face, and tell me. Prisha, I know you know, but you gotta wait, huh? Yes, come on, Sadhya, think.
You have a circle shape on your face.
No. Sadhya, don't tell me that Sadhya is cute and Amit sir isn't cute. That's not a difference that's between Ravi and Sarah. Think. Sadhya, come on, look at my eyes. Is there something odd about my eyes? Come on.
Sir, I know.
Prisha, I know that you know. You gotta wait. I'll ask you more questions. Sadhya, I'm having fun with Sadhya right now. Sadhya, socho. Look at Amit sir's eyes. Sadhya, it took you so long to figure that out. Ha. So who was wearing specs, Sarah or Ravi?
Who was 6 and 7?
No. चश्मा किसने पहना था? Who was wearing spectacles, Ravi or Sarah? Oh, Janvi wants to tell. Yes, Janvi, you can tell, Baba.
Yes.
You were raising your hand, Janvi?
No, sir.
Acha, okay, no worries. So, yes, Prisha, finally, yes, you can.
Sarah was wearing the spectacles.
Sarah wore spectacles and Ravi did not. Okay, so that was wearing specs. Sorry, my handwriting is not very good, but I'll try to write it down. Okay, now Janvi, Janvi,
Yes.
tell me one similarity between Ravi and Sara. Ravi और Sara में क्या same था बच्चा? Tell me.
Eyes color.
The eye color. We never mentioned the eye color in the story, so no, that wasn't it. Anything else? Think. Their personalities or anything. Come on. If you know the answer, if anybody else knows the answer, आराधना, साध्या, प्रिशा, अगर आपको आंसर पता है आप हैंड रेज कर सकते हो, ठीक है? ओ, आराध्या को पता है, आराधना को. शादिया, I'll come to you after आराधना. हाँ, yes, आराधना, tell me.
सर दोनों समझदार थे.
They both were kind and smart and helpful, right? They were nice people, okay? They both were good kids. So I'm gonna write good here. Okay? Thank you, Aradhana. Okay, Sadhya, your turn. Anything else which was similar? Sadhya, anything else that was similar in Ravi and Sara? Sadhya, how many friends did they have, Ravi and Sara, in the beginning? Bolo. Sadhya, you're muted. Sadhya, you're muted. Prisha.
I know.
Prisha, you know that I know you, that you know, right? So don't worry. After this, Prisha. Yes, don't worry, Baba. Yes, Sadhya. Yeah, Sadhya, tell me.
So they don't have any friends in the beginning.
Yeah. Now, Prisha, can you tell me the reason? Why did Ravi had 0 friends? Because
Because he was having a short body size.
and what about Sara? Sara did not have any friends because
Because she was new and wore the spectacle.
yeah, very good, wonderful. Acha, listen. Now Sadhya, Prisha, Aradhya and Janvi. One more similarity. कोई बता सकता है between Ravi and Sara? Remember? No, similarity, something which was same. Remember? They were both in the same
Class.
Sadhya, that was quick, huh? Wonderful. They were both in the same class, right? Very good. Now, all of you did a great job, right? Now, what will I do, kids? Prisha, Janvi, Aradhana, and Sadhya. I will give you 5 more stories, okay? In those stories also, you have to read the story. You have to find who the characters are. Just like Ravi, Sara, Noisy Boys, ठीक है Aradhana? आपको हर दिन reading करना है. And after that, you have to find out the similarities and differences. Okay, bacha? Cool? All right. Now, before we go, Janvi, not so quick. I'll ask you. So I'll take an interview, right? Not a very like a professional interview, but I'll ask you some questions. Ready, Janvi?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Janvi, are you okay, Baba? You don't look fine. Everything's fine now. Okay. Okay, Janvi. So, Janvi, my first question for you is, Janvi, which cartoon is your favorite? Which cartoon do you like to watch the most?
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig. Janvi, your first question. How many family members are there in Peppa Pig's family?
So can I?
No, Sadhya. No, it's not a joint family, Janvi. There are 4 people. One is Papa Pig, Mama Pig, and Peppa Pig. Who's the last member?
No, sir.
George.
Aradhana, no, kids. You can't hijack Janvi's interview, okay? I'll come to you also. मैं आपसे भी पूछूंगा, ठीक है? Don't worry. Okay, Janvi, now tell me. Janvi, just like you are your mama's daughter, ना? अपने मम्मा का बेटी हो, ठीक है? तो George was Peppa Pig's. George was Peppa Pig's
Sisters.
brother, not sister, right? Janvi, can you keep the phone away for some time, bacha? That would be great, right? If you could focus. Last question. Janvi, at what time do you usually watch Peppa Pig? What time?
4:30.
4:30. Janvi, one more question. 4:30 in the morning or 4:30 in the evening?
Evening.
Evening, of course, right? Thank you, Janvi. Thanks a lot. Okay, Prisha, your turn. Prisha, what's your favorite cartoon character?
Chota Bheem.
Chota Bheem. Prisha, in Chota Bheem, there's a cartoon character who's big and mean. What's his name?
Kalia Ustad.
Kalia Ustad. So tell me one word to describe Kalia, apart from big and mean. Any other word? He is? What kind of a character is he?
He is very bad and
What does he usually do?
he always compare himself with Bheem.
He tries to always outwit Bhim, right? Okay. Now, Prisha, who's your favorite character in this cartoon?
Chota Bheem.
Chota Bhim. Now, Chota Bhim, na, he tends to eat something to get powerful. What does he eat? Samosas? Yeah, laddus. Okay, final question. Prisha, there's one more character, a princess in the story. What's her name?
मैं बैठी हुई हूँ, मेरा हाथ नहीं आएगा.
And tell me, two characteristics of Indumati. What kind of a person was Indumati? She was big, mean, angry, grumpy.
She was a very kind princess and
And was she helpful or angry or was she evil?
was helpful.
Okay, all right. Thank you. Now, Prisha, before you watched Chota Bheem, which cartoon was the favorite previously? Before Chota Bheem.
No, nothing.
You used to watch Chota Bheem.
For 3 years old, I used to watch only Chota Bheem.
All right. Thank you, Prisha. Now it is Aradhana's turn. Aradhana, आपका favorite cartoon कौन सा है? Shin Chan, Doraemon, Chota Bheem. Which character do you like the most? Which cartoon? बोलो बोलो. Chota Bheem only. Acha, okay. So tell me, Aradhana, Bheem had lots of friends, na? Can you name 2 friends that Chota Bheem had?
Chutki.
Okay, and Chutki and? Now tell me, one word to describe Raju. Raju कैसा बच्चा था? Raju was Raju?
राजू समझदार बच्चा था.
Intelligent. Raju was intelligent and और चुटकी चुटकी कैसी लड़की थी? चुटकी was?
Chutki was beautiful.
She was beautiful. Okay, very good. All right, now Aradhana, Chota Bheem to had a lot of friends, but you know, even Kalia, who was bad and mean, na, he also had 2 friends. Who were his friends, Aradhana? Prisha, you can write the answer in the chat box. I'll read, huh? Yes, Aradhana, tell me. Come on, tell me. Acha, Aradhana, in the cartoon, who did you like the most? Chota Bheem, Indumati, Chutki, Dolu Bolu, Kalia, कौन सबसे अच्छा लगता था आपको? Whom did you like the most?
Sir Chutki.
Chutki, wow, that's interesting. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot, Janvi. Okay, Sadhya, your turn. Sadhya, what's your favorite cartoon?
So Shinchan.
Shin-chan. Okay, Sadhya. In the cartoon character Shin-chan, there was a girl. Her name was Himawari. How was Himawari related to Shin-chan? Himawari was Shin-chan's?
Sister.
Oh, Sadhya knows that. Tell me then, how was Shiro related to Shin-chan? Shiro was Shin-chan's?
Dog.
And Max is Sadhya's?
What?
Max is Sadhya's dog also, right? Exactly the same. Now, okay, next question. What about Mitzi? Who was Mitzi in the cartoon?
Her mom.
Okay, tell me. So, Shin-chan, can you describe Shin-chan in 2 words? What kind of a boy was Shin-chan? Shin-chan was very?
Naughty.
Chanvi, your turn.
He was very naughty.
And he was very?
He was very funny.
Very good. Wonderful. Yeah, Prisha, I saw your answer. Prisha watches a lot of cartoons, huh? Okay, Sadhya, next question. Sadhya, your favorite cartoon character is Shin-chan. But what is Shin-chan's favorite cartoon character? Can you tell me?
Shinchan's favorite cartoon.
Yes. Janvi. Janvi knows? Yes, Janvi.
Action coming.
Action coming. Okay, final question. Everyone has to answer this, okay? So when I count to 3, you have to tell me. When Action Kamen defeated villains, na, what action did he do, okay? 1, 2, 3. What did he used to do? What did Action Kamen do when he defeated villains? He used to say, Action Kamen! Okay, thank you. Okay, you guys did good, huh? All right. So, kids, you guys did an amazing job today. I had lots of fun right now.